In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a task template in Asana. We'll walk through a clear, simple process so you can quickly update the name of a template and make it easier for your team to find and use. Renaming is especially helpful when your workflow evolves and the old title no longer reflects what the template is for. Start by opening the Asana project that contains the template you want to change. Templates live inside specific projects, so make sure you're in the right place before you begin. You can jump to the project from your sidebar, your recents, or by using search if you have a lot of projects. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct project will save you from editing the wrong template. Next, go to the Customize menu or Open Task Templates, depending on what you see in your workspace. Customize is typically found in the top right of the project, and within that panel, you'll find the Task Templates section. In some layouts, you may see a Direct Task Templates option without opening Customize. Either route gets you to the same list of templates associated with this project. Now select the template you want to rename. Look through the list and click the one that matches the workflow you're updating. If you have several similar templates, double check the description or any identifying details to make sure you're choosing the correct one. Clear naming across your templates helps everyone avoid confusion later. Click Edit Template to open the template editor. This view looks similar to a regular task, but remember, you're editing the reusable template, not a live task. You'll see the template's fields and settings, and you can focus solely on the name for this update. Change the template name to something clear and specific. Aim for a title that reflects the purpose and team, and consider including a version or date if you revise templates often. Keep it concise but meaningful so teammates can instantly recognize when to use it. Finally, save the changes and verify that the updated name appears. Look for a Save or Done button and confirm the new title shows in the Task Templates list. If the name doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh or close and reopen the panel. A quick visual check ensures everyone will see the correct name moving forward. Keep in mind, renaming a template won't change the names of tasks that were already created from it. It only updates the template for future use. That's it. You've successfully renamed a task template in Asana, keeping your project library organized and easy to navigate.